Alright, so I want to give you guys an update. As you can tell, this looks like a mess. Stuff everywhere. But what I'm doing is bondoing the edges so you don't see the layers on here. And little divets, a few divets. I did sand it and kind of heat bend it. As you can see here, there's a curve to it. So once the Bondo dries, then I can sand it and then actually wash this thing before I paint it. And it's separated here so that I put Bondo in there and I sealed it. Alright, now for my Wesstar 35. This is as far as I've gotten from onto this. Basically now what I gotta do is this piece here is a couple areas that have this section right here, as you can see these two lines right here, is a hole in here. And there's one down here too. So I gotta cut out this main piece here to sit on here, so that there's a hole in there. And I'm thinking once I do this, then I'll be able to put out this big piece here, because that'll fit right in here. But there we go. Alright, there's your update. And you definitely want to take and do any and all Bondo work in a well-ventilated room. Because I had to shut the door due to the smell going out in the rest of the house, and then it was still permeating. But I was able to get it done. Now it's just literally waiting on this to dry, and then sand it, and then I can take and actually wash it and do some minute sewing where I've seen I need to. But there you go.